Hey everyone, this is Jared from Pro Tech. Today we're going to be covering one of our newest products, the Pro Cleat skid steer snow tire. Few things are as frustrating as slipping tires on your skid steer during the winter. You can't gain traction, you're losing productivity. So it's one of the reasons why we decided to introduce the Pro Cleat skid steer tire to the market. It's specifically designed for use in winter applications, all the way from the actual compound of the rubber to the actual tread pattern. It's much more of a narrow profile than your standard skid steer snow tire, which allows you to cut through the snow, and the special tread pattern allows you to maintain a better grip while pushing heavy amounts of snow. So this is a great shot that shows you the comparison between the two types of tires. The aggressive tread pattern and the narrow profile on the Pro Cleat skid steer tire, and your more traditional landscaping tire. It has a wider profile, less aggressive tread pattern, and obviously this is what's causing a lot of the slippage that you see out when guys are using their skid steer to plow snow. So the Pro Cleat is designed to fit pretty much any type of skid steer. If you have a question about your specific model of skid steer, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. As you can see, it has your standard 8-bolt tire pattern, and mounting it onto your skid steer is done pretty much the same way as any other skid steer snow tire, so we make it really easy for you. So let's recap the Pro Cleat. It's specifically designed for winter applications, including the rubber compound. Its narrow profile allows you to cut through the snow, and the aggressive tread pattern allows you to grip the surface much more effectively than your standard skid steer snow tire. One of the best things about the Pro Cleat is you can now buy them right from our website. For additional information and to have them sent right to your doorstep, check out snowpusher.com. And as always, thanks for using Pro Tech. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you'll be notified when the latest videos come out. You can also click the link down in the video description to be taken to snowpusher.com, where you can see our full product line, find your local dealer, and find other valuable information. As always, thanks for using Pro Tech.